James Wise here. I just put a fully renovated turnkey property on the market for only $24,900. How can you get a completely renovated property for only $24,900? Let's dive in. One 14012 Christine, Cleveland, Ohio 44105. That's right. I'm going to run some pictures while I talk. As you can tell, this thing is completely renovated. Brand new kitchen. It's got stainless steel appliances. The hardwoods are refinished. This house looks impeccable. We have new windows in 2014, a hot water tank installed in 2014, the furnace installed in 2011, all the electrical upgraded in 2014, but it's only $24,900. The catch, of course, is the neighborhood itself has an additional amount of risk. If you haven't seen it yet, I recommend you check out The Ultimate Guide to Grading Cleveland Neighborhoods. I will throw a link on the screen or in the description above or below. This property could be great, but I don't want you to be totally just baffled by the price. You see, the current investor, he's a local investor, and he actually spent probably more than $25,000 getting this home completely renovated. But dealing with tenants in these types of neighborhoods can be extremely stressful and tough. So, is the deal good? Yes. There's currently a tenant in there right now paying $685 a month. The current owner has a security deposit which will transfer to you. That is $600. But you need to know there's risk. If this particular tenant moves out, it may be a rough ride getting yourself a new tenant who's going to pay. For those of you who are willing to deal with that risk, tons of money could be made. Some more specifics for you. There's 2 bedrooms, 1 bath. The annual taxes are $1,016. If you'd like to buy this property, go ahead and click the link in the description above or below me. HoltonWise, we are able to help investors from all over the world. It does not matter where you live. We can help you invest in the Cleveland area. We can help you purchase the property. We can do your property management. We can do your maintenance. We can even help you insure the property. This video was sponsored by the Hogue Insurance Agency. That's an affiliated company of ours that knows what you need as investors. They will not try to upsell you on insurance products that you do not need. They understand that as an investor, the bottom line is the #1 priority for you. They are familiar working with investors. They will offer you investor rates. Make sure you are subscribed to this YouTube channel. We pump out one investment property every single day at 1 p.m. We put them on these videos. We also email them directly to you. So if you're not on our mailing list, make sure you hop on to that. We are the #1 seller of investment properties in the entire greater Cleveland area. We are bringing more properties to the market than anyone else. If you own a property in the Cleveland market that you'd like to have sold on a video just like this, reach out, sales@HoltonWise.com. We can sell your property in a video exactly like what you're watching right now. My name is James Wise. I'm an investor, broker, entrepreneur. If you want to hear more about my personal story, go ahead and follow me on my Instagram @JamesWiseHWPG. Again, subscribe to this channel, subscribe to our mailing list. I will catch you on the next video.